Hey guys, it's Luke.
It's me. I'm here. Deal with it. Let's move on.
The last video ended abruptly.
Sorry about that.
After writing Splash, I kind of went into documenting mode rather than vlogging mode. Happens a lot, so if anyone's actually seen any of my old travel videos, you might notice that it's usually just footage with me doing a voiceover.
Turtles were snapping, lizards were nodding, and giraffes and zebras were doing what they do best. Normal giraffe and zebra behavior stuff. Yeah. One duck, however, was practicing water aerobics.
Now you know why. A lot of my videos consist of me just going into documenting mode, filming the things and happenings around me and forgetting to, point the camera towards me and go, oh, look at what I'm doing, this is so good. And that's what happened after Splash. So what did we do after Splash? Well, right after Splash, we went and set sail on the happiest cruise that ever sailed. That's right, it's a small world. And I can tell you that this one here in Disneyland is far superior to the one we have here at the Magic Kingdom. Not only in its length, the rooms, the layouts, it's just so extravagant. Not a spot of mold to be found on the ceilings or on the boats, and the animatronics, man, they are amazing. And just the right amount of IP splattered around. I'm usually against, unnecessary IP in Disney parks, but this was actually done quite tastefully. So yeah, that was that. And then next, after that, we headed off through actually the castle, Sleeping Beauty's castle, where inside you'll actually find quite a sweet little walkthrough attraction, which basically concisely tells the story of Sleeping Beauty through some beautifully crafted dioramas, both drawn and with projection technology, Pepper's Ghost technology. Like it's very well and incredibly done. And then we headed off to sail atop the Seven Seas in Pirates of the Caribbean, which, wow, again, so many drops. It's longer. I think it's much better spaced and paced out. And the smell, man, the smell. While the one here at Magic Kingdom has that nice gunpowder odor on the outside, the water here just hits different. And then after Pirates of the Caribbean, we went from atop the seas to below the seas with Nemo in the submarine voyage, which again, I won't actually say it's better than here at Epcot. Okay, the ride itself, yes. You're in a submarine and then you go around the lagoon and into the dark ride area, that's where they have all like the projections and stuff with Nemo and all the other characters there. But here at Epcot, it leads to an aquarium. So you learn about the seas and you actually see real fish and stuff. And of course, then there's the sharks, and then there's the manatees. Oh my goodness, I'm a sucker for a manatee. I'd probably rank them the attraction itself, because it leads to the aquarium here at Epcot. It's amongst the same. A downside to the submarines is it is technically a submarine. You do go downstairs and you are literally below the water level in the submarine. It can get a bit claustrophobic and it is a little hard for people to access. Thankfully, I am pretty much half the size I was last time I rode this attraction, so I didn't have as many issues this time as I did last time riding it. And then to finish the night off, I didn't film this, so I'm gonna throw someone else's footage over the top in a minute, but was the fireworks of their current show, their 100th show, well, based on the 100-year celebration, Wondrous, which absolutely slapped. I'm a big proponent of put your cameras down and enjoy the show, and I got so angry with the amount of people who had their phones up filming vertically. I might say, you're never gonna watch it again. Come on, put your phones down. There's plenty of other better videos on the internet, which I'm gonna show now. The show just flowed so well. The projections were great, the fireworks was plenty, and not to the point of being gratuitous, because sometimes the fireworks can just be so there and just overpower like the emotion and the story that the fireworks and the music is trying to tell. So really, other than Remember Dreams Come True and Wishes, this is my number 3 favorite fireworks display. My 4th favorite is Hello Wishes, because heck, this is Halloween, and the fact that it takes up, you know, it spreads around the whole Magic Kingdom area, and watching it from the lagoon, oh, so incredible. So the fireworks were incredible, which then leads us on to the next day.
Hey guys, it's Luke. Wow, well, yeah, yesterday's video was a bit of a shambles. Not much of a plan at all. Whereas today's plan, oh, hi Tucker. Today's plan is to head to DCA, do whatever we can at DCA, and then head over to Disneyland, and I guess watch the fireworks again, because that slapped. That's so good. So yeah, let's head into DCA, and I guess what, we're going straight to Cars Land first, or? Yeah, see how the day goes. No real plans, just DCA.
Most of that actually happened, and I hardly ended up touching my camera because I was just having so much fun with the guys. To finish off the night, we headed downtown to have pizza. And this was Tucker and Josh's first ride on the Disney monorail, which was cute. And then our final ride for the evening was Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, where we felt absolutely unstoppable because they guaranteed that nothing could stop us now. Until this.
Well, we're on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and yeah. We found that something could stop us now. There we go. Well, guys, this is an experience for the night, isn't it?
Yeah. You know what?
I remember this one.
I know I haven't vlogged much of this holiday. I've actually been enjoying it, and this is definitely a highlight of the vacay. All right, onwards and upwards to some other random clip to go after this one.
And that's pretty much it for that trip. It was interesting traveling with guys, many of which hadn't actually met in person, or in my case at all, other than Tucker. And then there was the issue of everyone having their own expectations of what the days should be. I aim to have a day for myself in which I actually purchased this bit of artwork behind me here, which I'll show you on a room tour at another point. I didn't exactly have an entire day to myself. In fact, it ended up being like half an hour. But due to a ticket that a couple of people were using, as I forgot that I was needed to allow them into the park. And once I was there, because I had to park and everything, and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna stay. So that didn't happen. But that's cool. Don't get me wrong, it was a great trip and I thoroughly enjoyed it. And so much so that I can't wait to go back. And I'm currently planning my next trip, hopefully in August. I know that's like in the dead of a California summer, so it's gonna be hot, but at least it's not gonna be humid. This one will probably actually be a solo trip, which will then just not be Disney, it'll be Los Angeles as well. But since getting back, I've definitely paid for it. It's been pretty full on here at the Magic Kingdom, so that's why there's been a bit of a gap in videos. I now actually understand why a lot of the DCP vloggers just disappear until they get home and do a recap and start crying about their experience and that sort of stuff, which I've come to the realization that once this is over, I may get teary. I will not cry, but I may get teary. Late shifts, early starts, multiple days in a row with just only one day off, which you have to scramble, you know, to do your basic necessities like washing and cleaning and shopping and all that sort of stuff just in the one day. And then you have another long spate of of days at work. But yeah, so I'm still trying to vlog as much as I possibly can. Heck, I bought this beautiful camera, which makes me look even better. I mean, how good is this? A nice blurry, colorful background with me in focus. Look at that. I'm right up to the camera and I'm still in focus. Yes, I am. Let me just adjust my glasses. Oh, they're actually a bit dirty. You can actually see the dirt on the glasses. So I need to be careful of that now. I need to clean my glasses more often when I vlog. But yeah, so for what's coming up, the next video, I think I have enough footage to put together a vlog of me heading from Los Angeles Airport to Orlando Airport. And then there'll be a couple of DCP and Disney World vlogs very soon. I was going to record one today, but literally while recording this video, the weather went from sunny and gorgeous to thunder, lightning, and downpour. Florida, welcome. So that's it for this video. If you got this far, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and then I always stutter on the notification bell. I grew up with a speech impediment, both a lisp and a stutter, and every now and then it comes back. So I'm not making fun of anyone. Please, I'm not making fun of anyone. So hit the there it is. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. It keeps you up to date on any future videos. And yeah, there should be some great ones coming. All right, guys, until next time, bye. Let's have a look at that artwork again. Oh, isn't that nice? Man, I like the fact that I can just clear background, blurry background. I'm just doing this now so you can click on, an appropriate video or even hit the subscribe button. Ready? Here we go again. Clear background, blurry background, clear background, blurry background. All right, yeah, I think we've had enough of that. Clear background. Okay, I'm done. Bye.